Dalian Shipbuilding Industry Corporation Limited cooperated with Dayang Rada Technology Company Limited to introduce an AC450V 5000 kVA generator set intelligent testing system for load testing of ship generator sets. The load bank used in this system has an integrated resistance and inductance design, which can independently adjust the resistance and inductance power to achieve any value loading within the rated power. It can also be controlled by a portable aluminum alloy control bank or a laptop computer to manage all loads and store test data. The system can conduct comprehensive performance testing on marine generator sets, including step test, setting, fluctuation test, sudden addition and removal test, as well as harmonic analysis and wave recording functions. It is widely used in shipyards, offshore platforms and other fields for type inspection, whole machine acceptance, daily maintenance, mooring or navigation experiments, etc.By using load banks, it is ensured that the ship's power system can meet the design requirements under actual operating conditions, thus ensuring the safety and efficiency of the ship.